Are you recording now?
Yes, yes, yes. There's a timer.
Hi everybody. Today we decided to take a little ride from Tagbilaran in Bohol and go up and see the famous chocolate hills. We actually did a little ride, took the wrong turn and ended up coming in from the north, and the trip I think took us 3 hours instead of an hour and a half. But it was a nice ride and we had a lot of fun. Hope you enjoy traveling along with us. Right now here you can see one of the famous characteristics of the chocolate hills, and you see a lot of the smaller ones when you're coming in and going that route. The roads are also generally very nice. In this case it's concrete roads, and it's a comfortable ride. We actually have our little motorbike that we actually borrowed from a friend of mine. He has a couple of them down, he lives down in Tagbilaran. So I just borrowed one of them and we took this ride up there. Both me and Janice like to explore and see things, and we had a fun day, didn't we? Alright, we are getting close here to getting into the area. And when you get up here, there is like a entrance, and you have to pay an entrance fee. I think the entrance fee there,
50 pesos.
is it 50 pesos per person?
Yeah, 100 pesos.
For adult is 50 pesos per person, so basically $1 to go in there. And once you get up to the top, you have even some restaurant up there and everything. So it's a fun place to be.
Sir, about peanut or banana?
That's it.
No, very good, thank you.
Okay.
Wala kayo na extra water, ma'am. Nagtawa ko tayo.
Alright, so we just got through the entrance and now we're heading our way up there. I can't remember, it's about maybe 2 kilometers or so up the hill. It's a pretty scenic ride and beautiful views once you get up there. Be a little careful. Sometimes truck drivers and motorcyclists have a tendency to be a little gutsy, so just be observant and be careful when you're heading that way. Once you get up to the hill, the public parking is right there, and once you get around there, you have a small restaurant up there. You can grab a bite to eat, or in our case, I think we have a little bit of snacks with us coming up that way. Alright, we're almost up at the top there, and it's in my opinion one of the most scenic views I have seen, because it's so different with the hills and all that. But anyway, here we're coming up. The parking is right there to the left. You go straight ahead, follow that little van up there, and that's where you get your parking ticket and all that. And we're just about to get up to the top.
Yes, sir.
You have any
Park.
We're going to turn off.
I'm recording you.
No picture?
Huh? I took a couple pictures. And at some point we're going to walk up to the top, and it's going to be right up this stairs. You can see them there. Now we're going to see if we can't get some photographs done up there. And then they have some walkways so you can walk around. It's actually pretty well planned, actually, for being in this area. Here we go. Selfie. And then you have the background. And we're going to turn the camera around.
That's a video.
Yeah, well, that's what I want.
Take some pictures.
Yeah, well, I will. The view is magnificent. So, it was a long trip up here, right?
Yeah.
And we took the detour, came in from the north side, should have come in from the south side without even knowing it. So
Yes.
it took us about 2.5 hours to get up here instead of an hour and a half. But the views are absolutely
Beautiful.
beautiful, gorgeous views. And it's all the way around. They're doing a little bit of construction up here, fixing up the platform, but beyond that, it's a very nice area. Very pretty. But of course not as pretty as this one. This one right there. That's the prettiest one right now. So, unless I'm on camera, then I'm looking a little better.
That's a video.
I know. That's the whole point. I guess some people are living at the foothills of these things. It's pretty interesting. Right out there in the center is a cell phone tower. I think we should go down that route. I think we should go down this way to Tagbilaran. But I want to ask before we take off.
What?
I want to ask somebody before we take off.
Just go us.
Huh?
Us.
Yeah. I'm saying. I can go over there and ask. No. What's the best way back to Tagbilaran? Straight down here? Tagbilaran.
Saan ba pabalik papuntang Tagbilaran? You go straight.
Okay. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. Thank you. All right.
All right. After asking for some directions and how to get back home to Tagbilaran, we are now on our way back home. This route takes us through some of the areas that were pretty damaged what was the name of the church there?
Baclayan Church.
Tagbilaran Church in Lubbock.
Lubbock.
And before we just get back to Tagbilaran, a few kilometers outside of Tagbilaran. Those are just a few things that you get to see. Drive is scenic, and if you follow the video through here, you will see some of the scenic views crossing into just right around Panglo Island. We're getting there to see some of the water and all in all, Bohol is a beautiful, beautiful province and well worth the visit.
Yeah.
And thank you, everybody, for being with us. And hope you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to subscribe and share.
Yes.
And then we go from there. See you next time. Bye-bye.